Shenzhen Comite Technology Co Limited is a comprehensive medical equipment and intelligent technology provider integrating R&D, sales, after-sales service, and project support. Our main products are full digital X-ray series, medical Doppler diagnostic series, infusion pumps and injection pumps, ECG, patient monitor, medical rehabilitation products, and household health products, etc. All of Comite's management members are listed medical device companies with at least 15 years' experience in the medical device industry, and we have first-class supply chain and management experience in medical products. Our processing factories are China's professional factories. They have a sound quality management system and after-sales service process in strict accordance with the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 system operation. Both online remote guidance and offline on-site installation training can achieve 100% customer satisfaction. The head of the R&D department has a doctor's degree in medical physics and mathematics, 25 years of experience in medical ultrasonic research and development, and worked as a scientist in a world-class ultrasonic laboratory. The head of the sales department has 15 years of experience in medical equipment marketing. He is able to manage the sales team well and improve customer satisfaction and improve excellent pre-sales and after-sales service for customers by connecting all departments of the company. Comite's development philosophy is to bring efficient, portable, and economical new medical products and rehabilitation products to customers through technology and services.